So this is an ABS sensor. They're connected to each wheel and they are all connected to an ABS modulator, and on this Citroen C4 they are all connected there to that ABS modulator with those brake lines going into it. So there's different types of ABS sensor. This one here is a magneto resistive one, which basically acts like a switch, turns on and off as it passes over an encoder ring, so north and south poles, and that will allow current to flow or not to flow, and it will just switch it on and off. The other types are inductive, so that will produce a voltage, and the other type is a Hall sensor, so that will change voltage as the electric field changes over it. You can also get 2 and 3 wire of these. You're not meant to test resistance on them because you can damage them. So they usually have a connector right near the wheel, so to get to that we're just going to jack the car up to make it a bit easier to get to. So out of one of the wires of the ABS sensor you should be getting 10.8 volts, and out of the other wire you should get about a volt, and when you turn the wheel this should fluctuate. So I've just got the lower voltage wire of the ABS sensor connected to one side of the oscilloscope, and the other side of the oscilloscope connected to battery negative, and they're going into channel 1. Just got this on a 500 millivolt scale and 100 milliseconds, and you can see as we turn the wheel that will let voltage flow, current flow, and turn that sensor on and off. So that is going between 1 volt and half a volt as the sensor goes over the north and south poles of the encoder ring. So if you turn your wheel round and therefore your encoder ring, you can see if there's any discrepancies. Obviously you need to try and do it at the same speed, and you can see if there's any gaps or any fluctuations on there that shouldn't be. Obviously as you speed up the frequency increases.